In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a page break in a PowerPoint table. This can be incredibly useful when you have a large table that doesn't fit on a single slide and you want to ensure it's neatly split across multiple slides. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure every detail is clear and easy to follow. To begin, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure it's fully loaded and ready to go. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and navigate to the specific presentation you're working with. Take a moment to locate the slide that contains the table you wish to split. Finding the exact slide is important because this is where we'll be starting our work. With your table in view, click on it to select it. This action will allow you to manipulate the table as needed. Now, to make a page break or split the table across slides, you'll first need to copy your entire table. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard. This command will copy everything within your table, so be sure you've selected the entire table before proceeding. Next, head over to the next slide or an empty slide in your presentation. It's crucial to have a space ready where the continuation of your table will be placed. Once you're on the new slide, press Ctrl and V to paste your copied table. You'll now see a duplicate of your original table on this new slide. This duplication is essential as it forms the base for what you'll keep and what you'll remove. Now, let's address the content that needs to be adjusted for your presentation's flow. At this point, highlight the cells in the duplicated table that are excess. These are the cells you don't want to be repeated or shown on this new slide. Carefully select these cells so you know exactly what you're about to delete. Finally, with those unwanted cells highlighted, press the backspace key on your keyboard. This action will delete the excess cells, leaving only the part of the table you wish to display on this particular slide. Remember, precision here is key as you want your table to be sliced just as you envisioned, ensuring seamless splitting across slides. And there you have it, you've successfully created a page break in your PowerPoint table, allowing for a more organized and visually appealing presentation. By dispersing your table content across slides, you'll make it easier for your audience to follow along without information overload on a single slide. Make sure to save your work as these changes can enhance the readability and professionalism of your presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.